Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rachel. I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. So I purchase online liquidation, customer returns, clothing, shoes, accessories, and I sell them on reseller platforms for a profit. Today I'm doing a 90-day update on my Everlane dresses box from Helpsy source. So if you want to see if I actually made a profit and what I sold, definitely stick around. So this box was actually very hard to get my hands on, if I'm being honest, and I had some major FOMO because it kept selling out before I could buy it. So I finally got my hands on one after they had raised the price pretty significantly, but I was so excited that I got my hands on this. It's now been 90 days, and I will post the original video if you want to watch it, but I'm going to show you what is sold, what I still have left, and then at the very end, I will kind of just give you my results, my thoughts, if I think it was a good box, and if I would buy another one based on the results. If you like videos like this, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. Anytime I get a new box in, I unbox it live on this channel. I come back 90 days later, I give you an update based on my actual results. And I also do a lot of like what sold videos, strategy videos, reseller tips and tricks. So I would love to see you around in a future video, and hit that like button if you could. That really does help the channel out a lot as well. All right, so this one I purchased in October of 2023. This was a 40-piece Everlane dresses, new with tag, new without tag box. The cost of this box was $848 or $20.70 per item. And it was probably more than that, but I somehow ended up with an extra one, I guess. So as of right now, we're a little bit over 90 days because I listed all this stuff October. Yeah, I'm about a month late. This is more like a 120 update, but you'll kind of see why in a second here. So I've sold 17 items, well, technically 19 items. One item I have marked as that I didn't list, and then I have 21 items remaining. So what I'll do is I'll show you over here in order of lowest sale to highest sale. Then I'll show you what I still have left, and at the very end, I'll give you my my overview, my opinion based on my results. So two of the dresses I took to my buy sell trade store. There were a lot of duplicate styles in this box. This one in particular, you'll see it in the countdown. It's so many of the same dress. I was taking a bag to my local Uptown Cheapskate, and I put a couple of these in there just because I figured there was no way I was going to sell all of these off in 90 days. I had so many of the same dress in this box. So I got $5.88 per dress for two dresses. I know that's a loss, but it's better than them sitting here. I had so many, and I was hearing that other resellers got a lot of the same style in their boxes as well. So I figured I might as well capitalize on the chance to get a little bit versus having it sit here. All right, on to the actual real sales. This was the organic cotton weekend midi sleeveless dress. It was black. It was a black t-shirt dress. I sold it, even though it was new with tag, I sold it for $20.40 in a bundle. I have my sale date marked as 11/13, which means I sold this as part of my 38% off birthday sale. Since I was turning 38, I offered 38% off bundles of 3 or more on one day, my birthday, which was November 12th. I have this as November 13th, which is probably the day I packed it up. So that one was at a little bit of a loss. However, it was literally a t-shirt. So I couldn't really expect more. I didn't really expect more. And as part of that bundle to just get stuff moving, that was okay. It technically was listed only 3 weeks though. Then there was this organic cotton black t-shirt dress. This was a $22 Mercari sale. This was only listed 5 days, so I guess maybe I could have gotten a little bit more, but again, it was a t-shirt dress. I was not expecting miracles on those. They probably didn't retail very much to begin with. Okay, these are the dresses I'm talking about that I had a bunch of duplicates of, but a few of them did sell. I have this scuba dress in black. This one was a medium. This one took 3 months to sell, but I didn't get a $22 offer on Poshmark. Again, I had so many, I'm pretty much just accepting whatever people will offer me on these because I still have a lot of them. So somebody offered me 22, I was not going to say no. This one was the same dress, exact same dress. This was a $29 Poshmark sale. This one actually was in a bundle on my birthday sale too. So I still got $29 for it, even though it was only, it was 38% off. It must have been, yeah, I had just listed that basically at that point. So I hadn't started reducing the price any. Then there was the black lightweight midi slip dress in a size 4, new without tag. A lot of the stuff in this box was new without tag, probably almost half. This was a $30 Poshmark sale. This one took about 3 weeks to sell, and it sold for $30. I had 2 of these. This is the first one. This was the caftan dress. I thought it was a swim cover-up, honestly, when I first saw it, but it's not. It's a caftan dress. This one took about 5 weeks to sell, and it sold for $30 on eBay. This one was new without tag. I had 2 of these, so the next 2 items are the same. This one was the black button front shirt dress in a size large. This one was new with tag, and it sold after 3 weeks on Mercari for $32. The other one was a size small and sold after 5 weeks on eBay for $33. Again, based on the retail price, wasn't expecting more than that on those. Here's another scuba dress. This one was gray in a size medium. This one sold on Poshmark for $36. So I think I had them marked all the way down to $40, and I sent an offer with the discounted shipping, which somebody did accept. There was the Japanese Go Weave black slip dress. This was a size 2. This one sold on Poshmark after 2.5 months in a bundle. The bundle price allocated for this was $38.25. So whenever somebody orders a bundle from me on Poshmark, I add up my price for all the items, and then I take the offer price and I divide the two. So I know, like, okay, the entire bundle sold for 30% off. I take 30% off of each individual item, and that's what I record in here. So the amount that I got for this item based on the sale price of the bundle was $38.25. I had a black cotton midi dress. This one sold on eBay actually very, very quickly. This one sold after only 3 days for $39.99 on eBay. And the buyer paid shipping, of course, as well. Okay, we're at the top 5. There's another one of these button front shirt dresses. This one was a large, new with tag. This one sold just under 30 days on Poshmark for $46. There was another caftan dress. This one was new with the tags in a size small. This one sold in about 2 months on eBay for $50. Then there was this ribbed tank dress. This one sold in, actually this was a very fast sale, 3 days only, a $55 Poshmark sale. This one is not the second highest sale. It somehow got out of order, but I'm going to share it with you anyway. This was the $32 Poshmark sale. This one just sold earlier last month in February. This was the Japanese Go Weave midi dress in mint. I have plenty of these left. This is the only one that sold so far. $32 Poshmark sale. Not sure how this got out of order, but I'm not going back and starting over to put it where it needs to be. And the number one highest sale, this really is the highest sale, I swear. This one is the Riviera Fit and Flare dress at size extra large. This one sold on eBay. It still took about 2 months, but it was a $63.99 eBay sale. So that's everything that has sold. What hasn't sold, and there's lots of duplicates here, so I'm just going to show you the general gist of things here. I've got more scuba dresses. I think I've got both colors, both sizes. All of the Japanese Go Weave. I've got the notch shirt dress. This was like an olive green. The mint midi dress. The pink midi dress. There's a purple Go Weave midi dress. I have a high neck tank dress in that Go Weave material. And there is a jumpsuit that was a size 00. So 21 items left. The results are in on this box. I paid $848. And as of right now, I've made $574.85. So I have not yet made my money back. I do have a lot of stuff left though, and in all fairness, these Japanese go weave dresses, these are very springtimey type dresses. So I am hopeful that I can still sell off a good majority of these in the next few months. But was this a good box? No. I am disappointed in this one. And I think a good majority of the reason I'm disappointed is because it took me so long to get my hands on this. And then I finally got it and it was like not like I feel like I found out Santa Claus wasn't real. Like I had FOMO for no reason. In fact, I don't even think I would be like so disappointed if the cost wasn't so high. $20.70 per dress, and there's no way that this box was worth what I paid for it. I do think that eventually, once I sell off some of these springtimey dresses, I will break even. But as far as profit, I don't know how much into the profit I'm going to get just by selling off those dresses, not with this cost and not based on what's happened so far. So no, this was not a good box. No, I would not buy another one. I mean, maybe I would buy another one, maybe. And this is a big if it were like half the price. There were just way too many duplicate styles and no, this was not worth the price that I paid for it. So you have to let me know in the comments if you were one of the lucky people that got the first drops of these. How did you do? Or maybe yours looked like mine. Did you get a dress? Did you get a box with a bunch of duplicates of the scuba dress? Please let me know either way how yours did. I'm definitely interested to know. If you're interested in any of the pieces that you see here, visit my Poshmark, eBay, or Mercari. Those are all linked down below. I'd be happy to work with you on the price of these. I'm definitely interested in moving them out at this point. And make sure you subscribe if you like videos like this. I'm always going to come back 90 days later on a mystery box and give you my honest opinion. And in fact, moving forward this month and moving forward, I am going to start a fun little addition to my mystery box and my 90-day update videos. So I hope you would tune in for those. Hit that like button on the way out if you don't mind. That certainly helps out the channel a lot as well. That's it for today, friends, though. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.